So we are running our first test. This is our test for dissolved oxygen. So we are going to be adding some chemicals to fix our DO. And we have a second bottle we've collected that we've wrapped in foil that we will test later this week.
Okay, it says cap the bottle and invert.
Yep.
Several times, and a precipitate will form.
Now the other method you could do is just hold the bottle still and you invert yourself several times.
Somersaults, cartwheels.
All right, let's see here. Oh yeah, so there's kind of a brown precipitate forming. Oh, good time for the sun to come out. That was lovely.
Oh, yeah,
Can you see that? That kind of a brown,
it's like a fuzzy look.
yeah,
in
it's
the
like
camera.
brown goo looking.
That's the
All right.
technical name for
It says
too, by
allow the
way.
precipitate to settle below the shoulder of the bottle. So we just have to
Let it
kind of
sit
let it
below.
sit.
Go ahead.
Okay, so we have allowed the precipitate to settle, and we're adding 8 drops of sulfuric acid.
Okay.
Cap and gently invert the bottle to mix the contents until the precipitate and reagents have totally dissolved. The solution will be clear to yellow to orange if the sample contains dissolved oxygen.
I think we did it, guys.
So,
I think there's oxygen in there.
yeah.
And
And
add a
then
just
small
up-
drop and
yeah.
then swirl. Okay. Okay. What we don't want is to go clear. Okay. And swirl it. Okay. And you're going to keep. Let's see. You're right. That is out of order.
13 here. Here's
There we go.
14.
Okay. So you're going to keep adding the drop. Okay. Slowly depress the plunger to dispense the titrating solution. Can you read that?
Yeah.
Okay. Yellow.
Until the yellow-brown color changes to a very pale yellow.
Yes, that's it.
Gently swirl the tube during the titration to mix the contents. And then once we do that, we're going to add the starch.
Yeah.
Okay, so just... Oh, pale. Is that pale
keep
enough?
going, keep
No, keep
going.
going.
Almost looks like very fine urine. Fine, that's not the right term. Yeah. So careful, you can definitely overdose it. So keep going.
A fine urine.
Fine urine, that's a new term. I am getting. One of the things that happens, though, kids tend to put too much in at once, and of course it goes clear, and then they have to start all over again.
So I'm putting in like 2 drops at a time.
Mm-hmm.
So just tell your kids 2 drops at a time.
But the well,
Or 1 drop at a time. Or half a drop.
what is actually a drop?
Well, that depends on your tool as to how big your drop is. Ooh, that's
A little bit more, I
a
think.
little bit more.
Should have brought.
Most fun
What do you
lab.
think? Is that close, or you want to go a little bit more?
That's pretty light.
Yeah.
Pretty light. Let me.
I'd say one more or 2. That's it.
Yep.
Nice
Yeah,
pale
that's
yellow.
that's
Yeah.
pretty
Perfect.
pale.
Yeah,
Yep.
that looks good. That's definitely urine sample.
So we're
A
adding
little purple, yeah.
8 drops of starch.
8 drops of starch indicator solution. Okay, and
And
then
we got a swirl. And I think we add some more of that.
yeah, we add something else next.
More
I'll
of
get
that.
it.
Yeah, more of the. I think the sulfate. Thiosulfate.
Look at that purple. That is so pretty. All
Bright
right,
colors.
and then it says
What do you use to?
And now we titrate
insert the
Titrate
tip
again.
of the titrator again. So we go here, continue titrating until the blue color disappears and the solution becomes
Clear.
colorless.
Yeah, that's why I got it confused with the other one.
So I'm gonna, can't see the drops here.
This one can happen real fast too.
Yeah.
I can start to see that color change.
Look, it's beautiful. We're about to be out of this titrating solution now.
Yeah, then you refill it.
Yeah, that was all of the titrating
There you
solution.
go. Oh,
Nope, it's still blue.
Yeah.
Ew. Getting light.
so good. There you go.
There it is.
Just boing, like magic, only it's science.
So what, use the full 2 on that one?
No.
One.
Just not even